here. Stay here. You
Careful.
ready? What are these guys?
Cakes.
Get them. Here's one.
Cool.
Is that cool? Okay. You ready? One more thing. You ready? It's race day. And you know what these are? These are magnets, and you can put them on the board, on the racetrack, anywhere you want.
Oh.
Oh, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Trent, can you say thank you to Auntie Karen and Uncle Stuart?
Thank you.
Look at the camera. Look at me.
Look, thank you, Auntie Karen and Uncle Stuart.
Thank you, Auntie Karen
And Uncle Stuart.
and Uncle Stuart.
Yay!
Yay.